So today in this video we shall factorize 6 minus 5x plus x square. So first expression 6 and the last expression plus x square. So both are same. Now numbers we have is 6, which we have to divide into two parts. We to take 5. So 3 times 2 means 6, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So it becomes minus 3x minus 2x. Minus 3x minus 2x means minus 5x, and 3 times 2 means 6. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So we have common here is 3. So remaining 3 times 2 means 6, minus 3 already came, so remaining x. Like as common here is minus x. So x already came, remaining 2, minus x already came, remaining x. So now we again find out common in first and last expression. So both contain 2 minus x. So 2 minus x is common, and remaining in the first 3, in the last minus x. So 2 minus x and 3 minus x are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.